Today, I'm diving into something that makes the Osmose by Expressive E truly stand out. Its ability to fully tap into MPE, or MIDI Polyphonic Expression. If you're serious about taking your sound design to the next level, this is something you need to see. Check, check. Hello there, it's me again. Today I'm going to talk about the Osmose by Expressive E. Now everybody knows that the features of Osmose are pretty insane, but I'm not here to talk about that. I'm here to talk about something I haven't seen on YouTube yet. And actually, before getting Osmose, I was looking for it everywhere, and I couldn't find it. So I'm gonna make the video for you. Now, a quick disclaimer, people at Expressive E did send me the Osmose to try out, but they didn't pay me anything. They have no say towards what I'm about to say to you. I'm just gonna show you how this function, it's called MPE, works. And as an example, I'm gonna use my MiniFreak by Arturia and extend it into Osmose to unlock its true capabilities. So stick around, grab a snack, grab a drink, and let's dive into it. All right, here's my MiniFreak, and you need to know a couple of things for setting this up. If you have a MiniFreak, great, this will be beneficial to you, but if you don't, there might be different ways, but essentially what you need to have this synth do is have it receive MIDI, and you gotta tell it which channels to receive. But let me show you. So pretty much you hold shift, you go to utility, you go to MIDI, and you go to input channel. So you gotta make sure that the inputs is on all, so it accepts all inputs. Now, the next thing is you gotta have your MIDI, 6-pin MIDI input plugged in right at the back of MiniFreak. It's like right about here. You'll see it, it says in right there. I can't get my camera over there. And then on Osmose, the MIDI is gonna be coming out. So you're sending MIDI signal out of Osmose into the MiniFreak. Cool. Also, by the way, make sure that the audio is coming out from the MiniFreak, not the Osmose. By the way, this preset is number 35, it's called Dreaming. Beautiful. Right? So, I mean, on its own, it sounds great already. Let's hear this same sound on Osmose. Now, this is the same sound from MiniFreak, but except with MIDI running into MiniFreak on Osmose. Okay, let's hear it. The same sound. The expression is just so much more, especially this wiggling. Definitely, I mean, you can't do that in a MiniFreak, it doesn't have that function, but if you extend it, here you go, a new power unlocked. I wonder what happens if you actually turn on the sequencer, because Arturia MiniFreak has an internal sequencer. Now let's try this sequencer on an Osmose. I've never tried this before, let's try it out. Oh, he just keeps going. Well, hopefully you saw how it works, how you connect MIDI. You can do that with other synths. It might be more complicated because some more of analog synths don't receive MPE. It's not a very common feature, but Osmose has it, so it's very cool and it's very entertaining. I've literally spent a couple of like hours just playing keys without recording anything, just getting into it. It has amazing presets as well. Osmose is a synth on its own, but you can watch videos on that on YouTube. There's a bunch of different videos, great people reviewing this. I just wanted to show something I haven't seen on YouTube yet, so hopefully you learned something new and hopefully you got a little bit of a different look at Osmose. I absolutely love it. Thank you, Expressive E, for letting me try it. If you like videos where I review equipment, hit that subscribe, hit that like, hit that bell notification. I don't know if that's still a thing. And if you want to check out my Instagram, I'll leave a link down below. Thank you for staying through if you did, and I'll see you soon. Peace. Is that good? I don't even know. Oh,